Cambridge IELTS 20 has been released, and in this video I'm going to do three things. The first one will be my honest reviews on this book like I did last year, I did the year before. The second thing will be my predictions for the IELTS exam from now until July 2026 when book number 21 is released. And the third thing will be the link for you to do the computer-based exam, but the version of this book for free. Okay, about my review. Unfortunately, I haven't got a chance to get the general training book. When I have, I will do a review about this book as well. However, you can still watch this video even if you are taking the general training exam, because this video contains information about the listening exam, which is common between both academic and general training. About academic reading, I was very surprised to see the comeback of multiple choice questions, where you have one question and you get multiple choices and you can choose more than one choice, and each choice would be counted as one answer. Normally you have single choice questions like this, but multiple choice questions are coming back, and it appears in every single test in this book. Single choice questions also appear a lot more than in other books. So do matching questions. You see matching questions throughout the book. Matching headings, matching details, matching information, matching sentences. By listening, I also noticed a lot of multiple choice questions and single choice questions, but this is not anything new. It has been going on in the IELTS listening exam for years now, so it's not a surprise. But what surprised me a lot is the length of the question and the length of the choices. The questions are getting much longer and much more complicated, and there are a lot of matching questions, like difficult matching questions. But that is not the biggest surprise. The biggest surprise is actually with fill in the gaps. I noticed that the questions are now getting longer, and then the words that you use to answer the questions to fill in the gaps are getting more and more uncommon, as in the levels of the words are getting higher. But good news, the speed is still the same, it's still quite slow. I still maintain my opinion on book number 17 with the fastest speed ever. So based on this book, this is my prediction for IELTS from now until July 2026 when book number 21 is released. For reading, do expect a lot more choice questions, like multiple choice and single choice questions, and do expect very long questions. So this is the time you acknowledged that guessing will no longer work for the IELTS reading exam. You have to have solid and precise strategies. The questions are getting much more difficult and much more confusing. Also, matching questions will show up a lot, if not all the exams. For IELTS academic, pay more attention to sentence matching. For IELTS listening, it is time you have solid strategies, because the questions are getting very long. Improve your reading comprehension, improve your reading speed. Because if you don't read fast and you don't remember information fast, you will not remember the questions and you will not be able to answer the questions. Do expect a lot of choice questions, and also do expect a lot of uncommon words in fill in the gaps. Matching questions are, in my opinion, still the most difficult questions in IELTS listening. You may be feeling a little bit down right now because the book is quite difficult, but it doesn't mean that the IELTS exam is getting more difficult. It is just gradually evolve because our English is just getting better. The bottom line here is to get solid strategies and you'll be fine. And I have solid strategies to offer to you in my Everything IELTS preparation plans. But now you can take the computer-based version of this book on practice9.co. I'll see you there. For now, you have fun learning. Bye.